Western Mass News is your vaccine authority. Good Monday evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us for Western Mass News at 10 on Fox 6. I'm Chris Pisano. UConn women's basketball coach Gino Auriemma has tested positive for COVID-19 5 days after getting a vaccine. Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane getting answers from local health experts, and she joins us live in Springfield with more on that. Lindsay?
Well, Chris, people are talking about Gino's situation online, wondering what this means for people who have been vaccinated and how effective these shots really are. I spoke to a local expert to get you answers.
It takes at least a good 2 or 3 weeks for your antibody levels to peak.
The news is circulating around social media. Head coach of UConn women's basketball, Gino Auriemma, has tested positive for COVID-19 after getting his second dose of the vaccine on March 10th. He
could have potentially gotten infected before his second inoculation, and that's why he still has the infection.
Clinton Mathias, associate professor of pharmacology and immunology at Western New England University, tells Western Mass News it can take between 2 to 3 weeks after both doses of either a Pfizer or Moderna vaccine for it to become 95% effective.
There's a small chance that he could have been within that 5% of the population for whom it was not totally effective.
There are over 200 cases of coronavirus variants here in Massachusetts. Mathias says with new strains on the rise, it's possible this will impact vaccine effectiveness.
We do have new variants, such as the South African variant, and it's possible that, some of the vaccines we currently have may not be as effective against those variants.
Manya Duval of East Longmeadow tells Western Mass News her mother got her second shot 1 week ago.
She's definitely waiting the 2 weeks before, because she has, she's 87, she has appointments she wants to go to, she's anxious to get out, but she's definitely waiting the 2 weeks to make sure that it's working.
While she waits for her turn to sign up for a vaccine, she says she will be keeping up with safety precautions well after the shot is in her arm.
I think it's still definitely, even after the 2 weeks, it's still definitely worth it to wear your mask. Sometimes I even wear gloves when I go shopping to keep the rest of the family protected. I'm still going to do all that anyway, even after the 2 weeks.
Mathias tells me it's important for people to remember to limit their activities after getting the shot. Live in Springfield, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.